The most obvious way to cut a V-groove is to mount the part at 45 degrees and use the 90-degree angle on the edge of a square end mill. I kept the vise mounted on the mill table the same way as before, and used the same collet block as it seemed the most secure way available to hold a round part really firmly. To make sure the groove is aligned with the centre of the cap, I need to locate the edge of the part. Rather than use an edge finder, I used a slip of paper held gently between the cutter and the part. As soon as the space between the cutter and the part reaches the thickness of the paper, the force of the cutter pulls the paper away before doing any damage to the edge of the part. From the edge I used the handle graduations to track to the centre line, then half the groove width higher to start cutting. From this position the quill needs to be fed down for each pass until it reaches the centre line, then the same distance beyond the centre to establish a groove that is symmetric across the centre. My small mill has a reasonable amount of power, but is way too flexible to remove a lot of material fast, so I had no choice but to take a lot of passes. The finish seems reasonable, but with the cutter moving in this direction, the chips can easily get caught between the cutter and the machine's surface, so it would be better to have chip evacuation. However, evacuating chips with a jet of air blows away cutting oil, so it isn't a perfect solution. At some point I'd like to try a mister, which provides a jet of air to clear chips with a light mist that both cools and lubricates, but at the moment my shop isn't set up to handle that much mess.